Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Pop! OS versus Fedora, two amazing Linux distros that look similar on the surface, but serve very different types of users. So let's break it down. So first, what exactly do these distros offer? Pop! OS, created by System 76, is based on Ubuntu and focuses on being polished, stable, and productivity driven. It's designed for developers, creators, and gamers who want something that just works right after installation. You get strong GPU support, a clean GNOME-based interface, and built-in tiling window management to boost productivity. Whether you're gaming, coding, or doing creative work, Pop! OS gives you an easy, reliable experience. Fedora, on the other hand, is the cutting edge distro backed by Red Hat and maintained by the community. It's known for giving you the latest Linux innovations, newer kernels, newer GNOME releases, and a more upstream experience. It's perfect for people who want the newest features and aren't afraid of shorter support cycles and more frequent upgrades. Now, let's look at their key features. Pop! OS gives you a stable Ubuntu base with huge software repos, built-in tiling window management, dedicated NVIDIA and AMD ISOS, System 76 refinements for smoother performance, excellent support for gaming, development, and creative apps. Fedora brings cutting-edge packages that fast updates and a pure vanilla GNOME desktop by default. Spins like KDE, XFCE, Cinnamon, and more strong development container and cloud tooling. SE Linux security enabled for extra protection, around 13 months of support per release. In terms of daily experience, I want to say Pub OS feels polished and productivity oriented. Everything works right away, drivers are handled for you, and the system stays stable thanks to its Ubuntu foundation. Fedora feels modern, fast, and bleeding edge. You'll get new tech first, but the trade off is a bit more maintenance compared to Ubuntu based systems. So, which one should you pick? Well, you want to choose Pop! OS if you want a stable but modern Ubuntu based system. You rely on strong NVIDIA or AMD GPU support. You want built in productivity features like tiling, and you want something great for gaming, development, or creative work. Then you want to choose Fedora if you want the latest Linux features as soon as they drop. You prefer a distro that stays close to upstream GNOME. You don't mind shorter release cycles and frequent upgrades. And you want a cutting edge environment for development for experimentation. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.